Welcome aboard. Today we're setting sail on an extraordinary journey to explore the 5 most expensive cruise ships in the world. These floating palaces are more than just vessels. They're a testament to human ingenuity, luxury, and the ultimate travel experience. When it comes to luxury travel, cruise ships are in a league of their own. Imagine waking up to the gentle sway of the ocean, dining at Michelin-starred restaurants, and being entertained by world-class performers, all while traveling to some of the most breathtaking destinations on Earth. But what sets these top-tier vessels apart from the rest? Is it the extravagant suites, the unparalleled service, or the exclusive experiences? Today, we're about to find out. From the Caribbean's turquoise waters to the Mediterranean's historic shores, these ships offer a blend of relaxation, adventure, and the finer things in life. But be warned, luxury like this doesn't come cheap. Let's dive into the details and discover what makes these ships worth their sky-high price tags. Starting our countdown at number 5 is a true marvel of modern engineering. This ship is where cutting-edge technology meets luxurious comfort. Every inch of this vessel is designed to dazzle, from its state-of-the-art entertainment venues to its expansive, elegantly appointed suites. And the food? Prepare your taste buds for a journey of their own. With restaurants helmed by world-renowned chefs, you'll enjoy culinary masterpieces that rival those on land. Whether it's a multi-course tasting menu or a simple, perfectly grilled steak, dining aboard this ship is an experience in itself. But it's not just about the amenities. This ship offers a lifestyle. From sunset cocktails on the deck to late-night stargazing, every moment on board feels like a scene from a movie. And while you're enjoying all of this luxury, you'll be sailing to some of the world's most stunning destinations. At number 4, we have a ship that defines elegance. Imagine stepping into a world where every detail, from the grand entrance hall to the smallest decor accents, is crafted with the finest materials and utmost care. This ship isn't just a mode of transport, it's a work of art. Afternoon tea in a refined lounge, live classical music, and exquisite art collections. This ship is all about the finer things in life. The atmosphere is one of timeless sophistication, where every guest is treated like royalty. And when it's time to dine, the choices are endless. From traditional European dishes prepared with a modern twist to exotic Asian flavors, the culinary offerings on this ship are as diverse as they are delicious. Every meal is an event designed to delight and inspire. Coming in at number 3, this ship is a dream come true for the adventurous traveler. It's not just about luxury, it's about discovery. This vessel takes you to some of the most remote and beautiful places on Earth, all while providing every comfort imaginable. Imagine starting your day with a guided kayak tour through pristine waters, followed by a visit to ancient ruins that few have the chance to see. Or perhaps you'd prefer a hike through a lush jungle, ending with a private picnic on a secluded beach. This ship offers unparalleled access to the world's hidden treasures, and the adventures don't stop when you're back on board. This ship brings the excitement of exploration to the dinner table, with themed nights that celebrate the cuisine of the destinations you visit. Picture a gourmet barbecue on a private island, complete with a live band playing under the stars. As we approach the top of our list, the extravagance reaches new heights. The second most expensive cruise ship in the world is a floating palace, designed to indulge your every whim. From lavish gala evenings to exclusive wine tastings in a private cellar, this ship is all about opulence. Private suites with butler service, a world-class spa that rivals the best on land, and personalized experiences tailored just for you. This ship is designed to make you feel like the most important person in the world. Every moment is crafted to perfection, ensuring that your journey is nothing short of extraordinary. Whether you're lounging by the top deck pool with a glass of champagne, or enjoying a quiet moment on your private balcony, the luxury here is palpable. This ship isn't just a vacation, it's a lifestyle where every detail is designed to impress. Finally, we've arrived at the pinnacle of luxury cruising, the most expensive cruise ship in the world. This ship is more than just a vessel. It's a masterpiece of design, innovation, and unparalleled luxury. Imagine waking up in your own private villa, with floor-to-ceiling windows offering uninterrupted ocean views. Step out onto your private deck, where your personal concierge has already prepared your morning coffee. This is luxury at its finest. And the dining? Think private restaurants reserved exclusively for villa guests, where Michelin-starred chefs prepare multi-course gourmet meals that are as beautiful as they are delicious. Every meal is a celebration of the finest ingredients and culinary artistry. But the luxury doesn't stop on board. This ship offers access to private beaches, where you can relax in a secluded cabana with personalized service. Whether you're looking for adventure, relaxation, or a bit of both, this ship offers it all and more. From cutting-edge engineering to timeless elegance, from adventure-filled days to nights of extravagant dining, these 5 ships represent the very best in luxury travel. Each one offers a unique experience, but they all share a common thread: an unwavering commitment to excellence. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the world of luxury cruising. If you enjoyed this countdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Which of these incredible ships would you love to experience? Let us know.